How's it going? Chris here with Whoop Chicken Expeditions. Whoop! So, take you in a little trip and tour of our multi-tire i.d.k. and show you the difference between a 2-tire and a 4-tire kit. Alright, let's check out the multi-tire i.d.k. The 2-tire kit and the 4-tire kit. So, this is just our 2-tire kit. This makes it a 4-tire kit. So if you picked up the 2-tire kit, which comes with the manifold and 2-tire hookups, we offer different air chucks. These are the Haltex. So that's a 2-tire. Then if you got the 4-tire, it will come with the extra air lines. They have 4-tire capabilities, which is also nice because our bag will also store the whole kit in there. And you can keep your whole 4-tire kit in here. It's pretty nice and handy. Then just take this bag, use it for anything else you might store in your rig. It's just an extra bag to help keep yourself organized instead of just giving you garbage that you're just going to throw away. Okay. Now I'll show you what this looks like on my rig over here. I'm running the Q style on my rig. So we offer different fittings for different air compressors that are out there. Now you got your multi-tire i.d.k. that comes with this airline for 2 tires and the manifold system. Then you got the +2 that makes it the 4-tire. Now, another reason why we have the red on the +2, the black on the multi-tire i.d.k, is because when you set it up on your rig, we off-centered our manifold kit. So you might see these on other kits, usually dead center, which is fine for deflating. You just hook up your tires, then you just deflate. Doesn't matter where you have it hooked up, in the center, off to the side. So one of the reasons why we offset it is because when you go to air up, air compressors are usually located on this side of the engine compartment, or they'll be on this side of the engine compartment, or if they're in the back of the rig, they'll be on this side, or they'll be on that side. Very, very seldom do you ever find an air compressor that's dead center in the rig, in the front, in the back. Even if you got air chucks plumbed to your bumpers, they will usually be off to the side. Somebody out there might have one in the middle, but usually everything's off to the side. So why would we make these 2 hoses the same? Well, we didn't. This one has a 9.5 foot lead, and this one has 4.5 foot lead. That makes up the 4-tire. Now I'll show you what the 2-tire kit looks like. Look, that's the 2-tire kit. So when you do the other side, you'll take it off and just move it over there. 4-tire kit, you just add back this in. Bam, 4-tire kit. You can run the manifold on this side. You can also put it on this side. Doesn't matter with our kit. It's a preference, because if your air compressor's over here, you're probably going to run this over here. And then the +2 on this side. I'll show you. Okay, so now I reversed it. Got the multi-tire i.d.k, the 2-tire kit on this side. Then you got your multi-tire i.d.k +2, extra add-on to make your 4-tire capabilities on this side. So you can flip-flop it. We just don't center it down the center because that's just weird. Who does that? Nobody does that. So yeah. There you go. Like I said, deflating's not a problem. When you go to air up your air compressor, let's say you got to pop your hood for your air compressor. Your battery's either on this side or it's on that side, so your air compressor is probably usually going to sit close to where your battery is. So let's say you got one of our plug kits for your air compressor so you don't have to pop the hood anymore. Bam. Bam. See your air compressor, even though it's over there, I can still take this over here and just hook it up. Ta-da! On this side, you just want the 2-tire kit. That's your 2-tire kit. Two-tire kit. The multi-tire i.d.k plus 2. Four-tire kit. So just remember, you can buy them together at the same time, get your 4-tire kit right off the bat, or if you choose just to go a cheaper route and start off with the 2-tire kit, 'cause you're not sure if you want to deal with all the hoses, that might be a reason. No biggie, because all you got to do when you decide to go up to that 4-tire kit, you can always come back later and pick up the multi-tire i.d.k plus 2 for your 4-tire capabilities. Whoosh.